you is, what did you eat for breakfast today?
Oh, I actually ate death threats for breakfast. You mentioned about constitutional harakiri. Now my question would be, what is the difference between constitutional harakiri to constitutional kili-kili?
It is just self-destruction. It's just death-seeking. It is a pursuit of death defined as thermodynamic equilibrium.
Ano naman ang iyong advantage among other candidates?
My advantage is that I don't care. I'm a happy moron. I am following the poem that was written by a very brilliant man. I might recite it with your indulgence.
Oh, sure, madam. My pleasure.
The happy moron. Behold the happy moron. He doesn't give a damn. I wish I were a moron. My God, perhaps I am.
Oh, that's fabulous, madam. I wish I were a moron. Ano naman